Hey guys, today we're going to do the first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A56. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A56 and now you want to make a first time setup, so let's see how can do this. First of all, you will get the welcome screen just like this, and here you just have to select your device language which you want. As I have selected English UK, just select the language, then select OK from here, then select start to get start up your setup, and here you must have to select agree to all and then select agree to accept all the privacy policies. And here easy setup with another device. If you're using any device, you can make an easy setup just using or scanning a QR code, but I'm going to set up manually from here. And here just select the Wi-Fi network with which you can connect. Just select the Wi-Fi and then enter the Wi-Fi password just like this, and then select connect from here to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And after connection, just select next to go to the next screen. And here's the getting your phone ready. You must have to wait because it will take a few minutes. You just have to wait for it, then we'll continue. So after that, you'll get this type screen. Here, if you want to copy your apps, data, photos, contact, Google account, and much more, you can easily copy that from your old phone. But I'm going to select don't copy from here, and here just wait for it. And after that, you must have to log in or sign in to your Google account. So let's see. Just wait for its loading and the Google sign in screen. If you have an account, you can easily log in here. But if you won't have an account, you can easily create one from here. But I'm going to skip it. Just select skip, and here just select your date and time section. Here your area. You just have to select. As I have selected, just select next from here. And here, if you want to protect your phone with your face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin, or password, you can easily manage your setup here. But I'm going to skip and set up letter in settings. And here, just select accept in the bottom right corner. And here, just wait for its loading. And here's the Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in with your email, phone number, or any QR code. If you have forgotten password or don't have an account, just select the third option. And here you can easily create account. If you have forgotten ID, you can easily recover it. And here's the forgot password. If you have forgotten password, you can easily recover your password. But I'm going to set up lettering settings. Then select skip from here. And here just select all to agree to all terms and condition of Samsung. Just select agree. And here are some Samsung services. Just select agree in the bottom right corner, then select your display mode. It's the light and dark. I'm just selected light, then select next, and here just wait for its loading. And that's all. You're all set up. You must have to select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.